Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily see your blend percentage on Spotify and how to check it. First of all, open up the Spotify mobile application. Once you open it up, this interface will appear. From here, scroll down. What you can do is go to your library at the bottom or go to your home, go to the music, scroll down, and you should find an option of me. I'm not getting that because I don't have that premium one. Otherwise, you will get the option of me. Like once you scroll down, you will be option recommendations for you. It will be written as for you, like where there is written recommended for you, there will be written for you. Just click on that for you, and there will be the option of blend. Just click on that blend and you will be able to see your blend percentage on Spotify. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.